All right, let's talk breakfast smoothies. But hold on, we're not just going to give you a recipe. Nope. Today we're taking the ultimate breakfast smoothie and we're going to deconstruct it. We're talking the why behind the what. So yeah, you can forget everything you thought you knew about those bland, kind of sad health drinks.
So let me ask you this. Have you ever tried to be healthy, blended up a green smoothie, and it just tasted like, well, grass? You know, that feeling of choking down something that feels more like a chore than a treat? We've all been there. But here's the thing. It absolutely doesn't have to be that way.
Okay, so the solution we're diving into comes from a blog called The Awesome Green, and they call this the Avocado Banana Smoothie, rich and tasty. I mean, it's right there in the title. This isn't just about throwing random healthy stuff in a blender and hoping for the best. It's a really smart combination that actually delivers on both health and amazing flavor.
So let's really get into the why here. What exactly makes this thing so packed with nutrients and, more importantly, so filling? What's the secret sauce that could make this your new all-time favorite way to start the day? Let's find out.
Okay, before we even peek at the ingredient list, we need to talk about the huge health promise this thing makes. Seriously, this smoothie was designed from the ground up with some major benefits in mind. Let's take a look at what they are.
First on the list, hormone support. And yeah, you heard that right. This smoothie is actually built to help promote hormonal balance. The secret weapon here is healthy fats, mostly from that amazing avocado. Just think of those fats as the essential building blocks your body needs to create hormones. It's all about keeping your whole system running smoothly.
All right, benefit number 2 is a big one. Boosting your immune system. I mean, who isn't thinking about staying healthy these days, right? So this recipe has fermented ingredients like kefir, which are just fantastic for your gut. And as we're learning more and more, a happy gut is basically command central for a strong immune system.
And last but not least, let's talk metabolism and detox. So, the nutrients in here help give your metabolism a nice little boost. And those greens, we're talking spinach and spirulina, they're in there specifically to help out your liver's natural detox pathways. Now, this isn't some crazy, trendy detox cleanse. It's just about giving your body's own brilliant built-in system the support it needs to do its job.
So the big question is, how on earth do you pack all of that goodness into just one glass? Well, the source breaks it down into 5, I think, brilliant rules. And get this, these aren't just for this one smoothie. These are basically the secrets to making any smoothie absolutely incredible. Okay, let's run through them. Rule 1, keep things in balance. You don't want just one sweet fruit totally taking over. Rule 2, spice it up. Things like ginger add so much depth and have their own health perks. 3, load it up with protein. This is what makes it a real meal. 4, don't, and I mean don't, skip the greens. That's where that detox support comes from. And finally, Rule 5, befriend your gut. Bring in those fermented foods like kefir. See? 5 simple but wow, super effective rules.
Okay, let's zoom in on that protein rule for a sec, because this is really the game changer that turns a snack into a meal. The source points out that an adult body needs around 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Now look, this one smoothie isn't going to get you all the way there for the day, obviously. But by adding in powerful stuff like Hemp Hearts, you're getting a huge head start. You're fueling your body, and you're going to stay full right up until lunch.
All right, so we've got the philosophy, we've got the rules. Now let's finally look at the actual blueprint. Here's the simple, powerful recipe that brings it all together.
Man, look at this list. Every single thing here has a job to do. You've got the avocado for those crucial healthy fats, the banana for that perfect natural sweetness, hemp hearts for a protein punch, then you've got fresh ginger to add that spicy kick, while the spirulina and spinach bring in that detox support we were talking about. And of course, the kefir for all those gut-friendly probiotics. Oh, and if you're vegan, the source says just swap in coconut kefir. Easy. It's a true powerhouse lineup.
And you know what the best part is? It is ridiculously easy to make. You literally just toss everything into a blender and hit the button until it gets, and I love this description, creamy and velvety. That's it. A super nutrient-dense meal in just a couple of minutes. It just goes to show you that eating healthy can be incredibly simple.
Okay, now let's tackle the question that I know is on a lot of your minds, especially when you see ingredients like avocado and banana. What about weight loss? Is this smoothie actually a good choice if you're trying to manage your weight?
So one serving clocks in at around 325 calories. But, and this is a really important but, the source makes it clear that this is not about counting calories. Not at all. It's about how nutrient-dense it is. This smoothie is designed to keep you feeling full, to support your metabolism, and to help balance your hormones. And honestly, all of that is way more important for long-term sustainable weight management than just looking at a number.
So, when you put this all together, what you really have is so much more than just a recipe. It's kind of like a blueprint for a whole new morning ritual. It's a serious upgrade to the start of your day.
Just think about it for a second. This one simple habit, it keeps you full so you can totally crush those mid-morning cravings. It's the absolute perfect fuel for muscle repair after a workout. It's actively helping your digestion, and on top of all that, it tastes incredible. It's rich, it's creamy, and it's got that awesome spicy kick from the ginger. What's not to love?
So here's the real takeaway. This isn't just about one recipe. It's a framework. You've got the 5 rules, you've got the base blueprint. So the real question is, how are you going to make it your own? Are you going to add a little cinnamon for some warmth? Maybe toss in some berries for an extra antioxidant boost? What will your secret ingredient be?